How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard double space period on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, tap on keyword list and default. Now go down and tap on Gboard. Next, tap on text correction. And in here, we go down, then tap on, need to find it. So here, tap on double space period. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on double space period. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.